New from Milwaukee, these are the M12 FUEL 150mm Random Orbital Sanders. Now there's two variations in this new sander, and they both vary in the size of that random orbital throw, with the 5mm and 2.5mm. Now the larger the orbital throw, the more aggressive the sanding, so if you're removing body filler, paint, etc., you want to go with the larger orbital throw to remove that material faster. Now these sanders are intended to replace pneumatic sanders in automotive repairs. There's no reason you couldn't use them when you're working with wood either. The 5mm sander comes with a firmer pad that's indicated by that red colouring, while the 2.5mm sander is a softer pad. Otherwise the sanders are the same. You've got a big variable speed range on these sanders. They max out at 12,000 RPM. You've got a variable speed dial, so you can dial that into where you need it. You've also got variable speed control on that palm trigger. That trigger combined with that nice ergonomic handle, you feel like you've got a lot of control. You can follow the lines of the panel and find your shape. There's also surprisingly so little vibration coming through the sander to your hands, which means for prolonged use, you're not going to get tingly fingers, but you're also going to get a really nice finish. Now, they don't come with a dust bag, but if you are working with paint, you should be using an appropriate extractor anyway. To help with that, they come with a couple of adapters in the box. They also come with a left and a right mounted dust port. I put them both to the right, but you could have them to the left if you prefer the hose on the left. It all comes down to how you like to work. Another thing that's really cool is those sanding pads can be removed toollessly. Great little innovation there. You can also buy additional pads for both these sanders. They're available in both the hook and loop, which is standard with the sander, as well as a pressure sensitive adhesive. Now when it comes to runtime, Milwaukee claims 3 car doors off the small 2.5 amp hour high output M12 battery. I got about 17.5 minutes continuous runtime with those same batteries. Runtime varies on how hard you're working the sander, but you can double that runtime with that 5 amp hour high output as well, and it fits nicely on the sander. Great bits of kit. These new sanders are available now at your local Sydney Tools store in the Milwaukee. Also make sure you check them out next time you're in store, and if you want to head online, sydneytools.com.au, you can get the full specs, you can order there as well, and if you have any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.